Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, NASA's spacecraft and the mystery of the metal asteroid 16 Psyche. Hey everyone, and welcome to another thrilling journey through space with us. Who would have thought that a metal giant floating in the infinite darkness of space might hold the secrets of our past and perhaps our future too? Before we dive deep into the fascination of space exploration, we invite you to embark on an exciting adventure with NASA's space probe, Psyche. Imagine a sparkling asteroid, laden with gold, silver, and platinum, about the size of Greece, mysteriously hovering between Mars and Jupiter. The NASA space probe Psyche, a machine the size of a tennis court, began a monumental journey to a very special place in our solar system on October 12, to a metal asteroid, also named Psyche. Weighing in at 2.6 tons, it's on a mission that will last 6 years, aiming to unveil the secrets of the asteroid in August 2029, after traveling 2.4 billion kilometers. Did you know that Psyche, with a diameter of 226 kilometers and an average distance from the Sun of 450 million kilometers, orbits the Sun about once in 5 years? But despite its size and proximity, we know so little about it. A mystery that continues to captivate scientists and researchers to this day. Question for you. What do you think the space probe will discover on Psyche? And how might this discovery change science? Psyche's mission might give us deep insights into the formation of our solar system and the planets within it. Could this asteroid, which appears to be mostly made of metal, possibly be the core of an ancient planet, whose outer layers were destroyed billions of years ago in the chaotic dance of early planetary bodies? Or does it represent a phenomenon in the history of the solar system that we haven't known about before? By investigating it from 4 different orbits and with 3 scientific instruments on board, a magnetometer, a gamma-ray and neutron spectrometer, and 2 multispectral cameras, the probe could tell us more about the asteroid's composition, its magnetic field, and other remarkable properties. But why is it so crucial to find these answers? Lindy Elkins-Tanton, the chief scientist of the mission, postulates that if Psyche's collision hypothesis is correct, we could get a unique opportunity to look directly into the core of a planet, something that's impossible with planets like Earth. A breakthrough that could revolutionize our understanding of planet formation and cores. With all of this ahead of us, we stand before a window that could provide us an unparalleled view into the beginnings of our solar system. And who knows, it might give us answers to questions we haven't even learned to ask yet. Dear viewers, what do you think of this spectacular NASA mission? Do you believe that discoveries on Psyche could alter our understanding of the solar system? And how thrilled are you at the prospect of gazing upon the core of an ancient planet? Thank you so much for joining us on this exhilarating journey. Your thoughts and opinions are very important to us, so don't forget to drop them in the comments. And if you want to hear more exciting stories from the world of science and research, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell to not miss any more adventures. Until our next journey through space, stay curious and keep marveling at the infinite universe that surrounds us.